Hello everyone, this is Abiquality Factory. We are showing you our workshop. Let's take a look. If you visit our factory, we are talking here. You see the blanking workshop. This is an assembly workshop. You see the finished product workshop. We are Chinese factory. If you have any inquiries, please contact us. Waiting for your order.
This is our international sales department. This is our after-sales department. This is our shipping department. Waiting for your more and